In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image using GIMP. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with photo editing, this easy-to-follow guide will help you change the dimensions of your images while maintaining their quality. GIMP, which stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program, is a fantastic, free, and open-source tool that can handle these tasks with ease, making it a favorite among graphic designers and photographers alike. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open GIMP on your computer. It's that simple. Just click on the GIMP icon wherever you have it installed, whether it's on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once GIMP is up and running, you should see the main interface with various tools and options. If your workspace looks daunting, don't worry. We'll guide you through exactly where you need to go. Next, with GIMP open, we need to load your image into the program. You can do this by simply dragging and dropping your image file onto the GIMP workspace. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable with menu options, you can go to File at the top left corner, then click Open. Navigate through your files, select the image you want to resize, and click Open. Your image should now appear in the main window, ready for editing. Now on to resizing the image. You'll want to locate the Image menu in the top menu bar. Click on it, and a drop-down list will appear. Within this list, find and select the Scale Image option. This is where the magic happens. The Scale Image window will pop up, giving you the ability to adjust the size and resolution of your image. In the Scale Image window, you'll see fields for the image's width and height, along with a drop-down for the measurement unit. By default, this is often pixels, which is the standard unit of measurement for digital images. You can adjust these dimensions by typing in the desired width or height, and GIMP will automatically adjust the other dimension to maintain the aspect ratio unless you choose to unlink them. Maintaining the aspect ratio is crucial if you want to avoid stretching or squashing your image. Additionally, this window allows you to change the image resolution, measured in pixels per inch. A standard resolution for web images is 72 ppi, while print images often require at least 300 ppi for quality printing. Once you've made all your desired changes, simply click the Scale button. After a brief moment, GIMP will resize your image according to your specifications. Review your image to ensure it meets your needs. If everything looks good, you can proceed to save your resized image. To do this, click File, then Export As, choosing your desired file format and location. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully resized your image using GIMP, retaining both its quality and desired dimensions. Practice makes perfect, and soon enough, you'll be resizing images like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.